What's good? What's poppin'? What's Gucci? Back here with Joanna's vlogs, and right now I'm on the floor doing slime videos. Yeah. So I'm just gonna be playing with slime because I'm bored and I want to do a video with slime and I couldn't make it, so I just saying that I can just play with it. So yeah, on this green slime, comment down below what this slime name should be. I did it on Musical.ly and on here. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a circle. Oh, if you guys want to see me playing with that, I'll just fix the camera. Hold on. I'll be back. I need this slime too. With the chair. Sorry for the background stuff. Music, it's my sister in her room. Her room's like right there. So yeah. Oh, it's too close. Definitely. Okay. So yeah, this is just me playing with slime. This one's not that stretchy, to be honest. Let's try the swirl. Let's get the other one. The other grape slurping one, I'm not taking out. And I'll show you why, and I'm not gonna touch it though, because I literally just washed my hands to get all that wetness off me. Because I have to make music with that. So this is why. It's just like, I'm just gonna touch it. It is just so gross. Look at my hands. My hands turn glittery and wet. But yeah, I'm using this slime right now. Oh yeah, this one also doesn't have a name, so comment down below a name for it. So here it is. Okay, I'm gonna make my swirl. I was playing with this in school today. It didn't catch me though. You guys can see, right? I know I messed up. That was a fact because I just like heard it. Okay, I almost got it. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. That's perfect. Look at that. If you didn't see that, I'll just show you guys it again. Yo, my friends are on texting and stuff, saying stuff that I can't tell you guys right now. Well, I can't tell you, it's private. Remember? really want to go. I want to make a video, but it's about to be over in a minute. So here's my swirl. I'm going to leave it for a second. And then, yeah, I'm going to see what's going to happen. Let my dog out. Y'all want to see one of my other slimes? I'm just going to let that sit over there for a little bit. Here's one of my slimes. I can poke it too. Here's one of my slimes. Poke, poke, poke. Yeah, I don't know this, but this is my dog. This is my dog, Quavo. He is small as ever. My sister named him Quavo. Stop it. No. Be a good boy. He's nice when he wants to be. At the same time, he's mean. Yeah. 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 He's mad. Okay. This thing has setted. So here's what it's looking like. Just gonna pick it up and move it over back to the spot. Here it is. It's setting. Let's give it some more time. Okay, it has set it. Look at this. It looks so weird, but at the same time, I'm about to mix some slime to it. So y'all, I'm gonna mix this green into it so it's still gonna be good. Sometimes still a little different. I'm just gonna take a piece of this. I'm gonna leave it under there. Take a piece of this slime. That's how much slime I'm taking. That's the other slime. It's just like under there. And yeah, here it is. Okay, here it's set it. Look at that. Okay, now what I'm gonna do? It's just like. Twist it a little bit. Twist, twist. Twist, 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 twist. Twist, twist, twist. Just try to stretch it a little bit more. Stretch. Look at that! That is adorable. I'm gonna try to let it stay in here and see what's gonna happen. Or for the next video, I will let you guys know what happened to the slime. And if I didn't play with it by then, yeah. I want to touch it. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. The next vlog, which is probably in a minute or something. But as I haven't told you guys yet, I'm going to take towards the end of the vlog. Which is that, oh, here's what it looks like in the inner, y'all. It's cool. Is that I think I sprayed my foot. Because it's like right here. My foot's right here. And I'll tell you how I think I sprained my foot. Because, look at the dirtness, or it's probably just dirt. But this foot, this toe right here, and this toe, these two toes are hurting badly. That's why I'm not touching them. I'm touching these three. I'll tell you the story how. I was running in and out of my sister's room, just running back and forth, just kept on running and running and running and running. And then by the time I had on socks still, I fell and slipped right around here by this doorway. By this doorway. This doorway. I fell and then my foot right here, it just slid against this little door opening thing. Yeah, so yeah, that was not a good thing because it hurts badly. It's like I'm in pain. It's like I just got cut open or something. But I'm telling you that I think I sprained it, or it's either broken or sprained. One of those two. It's not okay. It's broken or sprained. That's what my mom said. She said it might not be broken, but it might be sprained. So yeah, I got a dentist appointment tomorrow. I probably will be on YouTube. Yeah, because I'm getting picked up early at 1 o'clock. I'm going to make a YouTube video when I get out of school, or when I'm walking home from school. And yeah, so be updated and happy by tomorrow, because I'm bringing the slime with me tomorrow, but I'm not going to let no one touch it. Usually they're going to touch it either way it goes, so can't really help you if they touch it. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and make sure you turn on notifications, and make sure you always stay lit. Make sure you don't let nobody tell you what to do. And if you're watching this video in the morning time, good morning. If you're watching evening, good evening. If you're watching in the afternoon, good afternoon. If you're watching at nighttime, good night. But peace.